So I think I found the secret to tuning my Holley Sniper EFI on the Dodge D100 shop truck project. Just have somebody else do it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on the last D100 video, I asked you guys for help finding a tuner to help me with the Holley Sniper EFI on the D100 shop truck project. I was hoping to find someone local to me here in Vegas, but a fellow YouTuber by the name of Dirty Side Gets Down reached out, and we decided to do a collaboration. Now, Dirty Side Gets Down happens to be a tuner over at EFI Systems Pro, which happens to be the company where I got the progressive linkage for the Holley Sniper EFI. I'll leave a link to that video up here. So after emailing back and forth, we had a long conversation yesterday.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
So the plan is that I'm going to gather some data logs. He gave me a whole procedure to gather some logs. I'm going to send those and my current configuration off to him. He's going to do his thing on the old digital box. And then we're going to probably do like a Zoom call or something like that. He's going to, hopefully the plan is he's going to walk me through some of the changes he made, what he looks at, things like that. And then, you know, I'll load the new tune into the truck and do some more testing. This may be either one video, or we may do a series of videos of kind of like fine tuning this thing. We haven't worked out all the details yet. We're kind of shotgunning it. We're kind of just, you know, shooting from the hip. So like I said, he gave me a whole procedure to kind of go through and get some initial data logs. All right, so the first log that he wants is a cold start. So I'm going to turn the truck on. I'm going to navigate to the data log on the handheld, and then start this thing, no throttle input, just let it run for about 30 seconds or so, and then turn the logs off and shut it down. All right, so I got you hear the fuel pump running? I'm going into my handheld here, and I gotta find wherever the data log section, oh, there's logging. Gotta go home. All right, so we're gonna start the log. All right, log is started. Now we're gonna start the truck. All right, after 30 seconds, it says to press the throttle about a third of the way down, let the engine idle for another 30 seconds, and then click stop logging. That was a fail. It didn't start logging. Sorry, Dirty Side Gets Down. Let's do this again. So I'm gonna turn it on, hopefully start logging. All right, logging, start log. All right, it says logging started. All right, so it didn't start logging again. I think what's happening is the sniper's resetting because of the start and the voltage is dropping out. So I got it logging now. I'm gonna let it run for 30 seconds and then I'll do the throttle input and then I'll stop it. Huh, okay, so I'll stop that log. All right, now they want a warm start. So I'm gonna start the engine up, let it run, and let it get up to temperature, and then I'll start logging. Let this thing run and get up to about 170 degrees. All right, so now what he wants is a warm start. But I already know that if I turn the truck off, when I go to restart it, it's gonna reset the sniper. So I'm just gonna do the run up. So he said to go to logging. I'm gonna start another log, and then I'm gonna run it up to about 3,500 RPM. And then it'll take about 20 seconds to get up to 3,500 RPM. And then I'll bring it back down and stop the log. Come on, start. All right, so log is started. I'm gonna run it up about 3,500 RPM. stop logging. Come on, there we go. All right, so the next thing I need to do is take this thing out for a drive. Now they want an acceleration run and then a cruising run. So I'm gonna go get on the freeway. Right before I get on the freeway, I'll start the logging for the acceleration run. Then I'll log that, and then I will go do a cruising run also on the freeway. So let's take this thing up. I hit my neighbor's trailer and decided to park and almost partially block my driveway. And it's like 9:30 in the morning here in Vegas, and it is already starting to get stupid hot. Alright, so I am here on an entrance ramp to the freeway. Figure this is as good a place as any to do an acceleration run. So he says to run it up, start logging, then accelerate to the safest upper speed you can achieve. There's no extra credit for breaking the law. It actually says that in the email. So I'm going to start logging. I'm going to accelerate up to 70, 80 miles an hour or so on the freeway. And then we'll move on to the next step after that. All right, logger's running. All right, stop logging. Then I'm gonna do another one for the cruise. So I'm sitting at about 75, 80 miles an hour, somewhere in that range. I'm gonna start another log for the cruise. Logger's running. I'm cruising at, I don't know, 78 miles an hour right now. Speed limit 70. Yeah, 70. Well, a little over. No big deal. Get a good cruising log here. Nice steady throttle input. I don't think my foot's moving at all. Maintaining that between 75 and 80. I'm probably about 76, 77, got a slight uphill. Alright, so I'm going to be exiting the freeway up here. Alright, so I'm going to be exiting the freeway up here. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the log, take it home, and we'll pull all the logs off and send them over to Dirty Side Gets Down. Watching my logs, I was watching the gauge, it went really lean. Yeah, it's going like in the red lean. That's not good. Help me, Dirty Side Gets Down! Help me!
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope. Alright, now what do I click?
Record that. You can feel it surging. It's going lean. I did catch a log of that, so Dirty Side Gets Down. I got you a log of that full throttle pull right there. You can feel it surging. It's just going lean. At cruise, I'm at like 14.5, right in that area, between 13 and a half and 15, which is where I have it set at 14.5. It just wide open. I have the wide open AFR set to 12.5. And it's going into like 30. Not good. No bueno. All right, I got the memory card out of the handheld for the Sniper EFI. Gonna take these logs up to the computer and email them to Dirty Side Gets Down. All right, so the files are off to Dirty Side Gets Down. I've got the truck inside ready to go for any changes that he may suggest. But until then, we wait.